Hey everyone! Welcome to the Start Strong with Seller 365 video series. We know that getting started with new tools can feel overwhelming, and you're not alone. That's why we created this series, to walk you through the most common challenges sellers face when first using Seller 365 and to help you overcome them with confidence. Today, let's discuss filtering results to find exactly what you're looking for. If you run a scan in tactical arbitrage and now you're wondering how to narrow down the results to find what really matters to you, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the filter manager in View Results page to refine your results like a pro. Here's the trick. When you run a scan without filters, you collect a full data set, which means you're not accidentally filtering out potential winners. That's why we always recommend starting scans with minimal or no filters. Once the scan is done, that's when the filter manager shines. It gives you the power to apply all sorts of filters after the fact, so you can zero in or out just the results that meet your criteria. To access it, head to the View Results page, scroll towards the top of the page, and find the Filter Manager button. This opens a panel with two main sections, Style Creator and Filters panel. In the Style Creator, you can create and save custom filter styles, kind of like templates, so you can reuse your favorite setups later. You can also reset all filters with one click if you want to start fresh. Now, onto the Filters panel. This is where you create different scenarios. You'll find dozens of filters here, over 40, from sales rank and profit margins to Amazon stock status, brand, seller type, and more. Don't worry, you don't need to use all the filters. Just pick the ones that help you surface the best opportunity for your business. Just as an example, you can filter by estimated monthly sales to find faster moving products. Use gross ROI or profit margin filters to focus on profitability. Narrow down results by Amazon stock status or by box price range. Use number of sellers to focus on products with less competition. Once you're done applying filters, just apply the changes and close the filter managers for your results to be updated instantly. And if you ever want to go back to your full results list, just click Reset Filters. Simple as that. Filter Manager is a powerful way to fine-tune your results after scanning, and it gives you the flexibility to explore and adapt without starting from scratch every time. It's flexible, efficient, and a must-know tool for getting the most out of tactical arbitrage. That's it for today. See you in our next video.